Hello everyone, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. So today's video we are showing you guys this glass rinser. So we are unboxing, we're showing you guys what it looks like. It's a simple one-touch operation, high-powered rinsing stream. You can hit those hard places with no problem, quick and easy cleanup, and it's a straightforward installation. So for this video, we're showing you the unboxing so you know what you get inside the package. So when you go to install it, you're not thinking, well, that was a surprise. So you get the braided line, steel braided line, manual, and the manual tells you exactly what you need to do and how to do it in easy steps. No excuses. So this is it. So this is what it looks like. Multiple options that you can pick, and we're going to show you guys how you put it on. Very easy for installation and setting up. So just make sure, I did notice there's a washer that fell down in, so make sure you take everything out of the box just to double check. You don't want to miss anything. Alright, so this is the bracket. What you're going to do is you're going to thread this off here. Lay everything out nice and neat. This is going to be your, I like to say, trigger. When you push it down, it's going to release the water and spray. You're going to be threading your line on here. We'll get to that part. Take everything out, lay it nice and even. That way you have everything lined up. Alright guys, pull this little transparent washer and metal washer off. What you're going to do now is you're going to feed this right down through. Slide it down there. Alright. Alright, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to take that washer that you just took off and you're going to re-put it back on. Drop it straight down like this. We're going to save that washer for the top, and now you would go ahead and line this up. So this is going to get mounted where, you know, on your sink. So you're going to be drilling the screw holes. So you thread this back on, and basically in turn you thread it the whole way up to your sink. So if your sink's like this, if you're, let's say my hand's the sink, you're going to thread this up and then you're going to run it up through so it locks in place on your sink. And then you're going to go ahead and drop this little washer right down here. You're going to drop this straight down in here. And now when you press it down, that's going to trigger the water, the valve to release and water to shoot up into your glasses. Once you have that all set out, little filter on here that they have, keep that in place. You will then run and connect your line to your device here like this, and then you have this. It's almost like, well, it's almost like a very small T, and that will connect to your water line, and it's that simple. I mean, make sure you turn off your water line when you're doing this. You don't want water spraying everywhere. And just follow the manual. It's so simple, guys. So simple.